Valentine's Day is this Sunday. What better day than a Sunday to spend cozying up with your sweetie, or if you don't have one, loving on yourself, than breakfast in bed? I've got a few tasty ideas for you. Let's turn up the heat and turn up the music. It's Love Day, y'all, and it's gonna be easy like Sunday morning. Let's make something yum, y'all. Let's get it started, y'all. You'll need a waffle maker, measuring cups and spoons, a rubber spatula, a scoop if you have one, mixing bowl, and a mixer. Set your heat in your oven to 350 and gather your bacon, your brown sugar, parchment paper, sriracha, and garlic. Let's start with covering our cookie sheet with the parchment paper. Then in a small bowl, mix a half a cup of brown sugar, 1/8 a cup of sriracha, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then take your slices of bacon and place it on the sheet, or try to place it into heart shapes like I tried. Sometimes the bacon is too stringy and really won't come out too good, but give it a try anyway. Then take a dollop of your mixture that you've already put together, the sriracha and brown sugar, and place on top of each slice of bacon. Then you'll use your brush or the back of a spoon to smooth out the mixture evenly on top of the bacon. And now we're going to place it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until it caramelizes. Now while that's baking, let's make our glaze with a pinch of salt, a half a cup of powdered sugar, the juice of a half a lemon, 3 tablespoons of milk, and a half a block of cream cheese, which is equal to 4 ounces. Mix all ingredients in your mixing bowl with a blender. You want to mix until it's a nice drizzly consistency. If it's a little too thick, add a little bit more of milk. And don't forget to scrape down the sides as you go. Once your bacon has been thoroughly cooked and cooled, you're going to take it and plate it, and then place it aside until you're ready for the final presentation. Now let's get ready for the waffles. Preheat your waffle maker. I put it on the next to the highest setting, and then I spray it really well with our nonstick cooking spray. In the meantime, you're going to mix your waffles. 1 cup of waffle mix, a half a cup of cake mix, a half a cup of starch, 1 stick of melted butter, 1 cup of creamer, a half a cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and mix well. Here I added in a teaspoon of white vinegar and a 1/4 teaspoon of red food gel coloring. I wanted to brighten up the color a little bit to make it look like a true red velvet. Once my waffle maker was preheated to the right temperature, I took my ice cream scoop and scooped in my red velvet mixture into each one of the wells. When the ready light came on, I was like my grandfather used to say, cooking with gas. Now you all know this is my favorite part. I love to make the plate look appealing. I start by cutting the waffles in half diagonally and placing them on the plate. Then I add in some strawberries that I slice, and then I top it with that wonderful cream cheese filling that we made. I like using a squeeze bottle. It gives you more control, but if you don't have one, you can always use a spoon to drizzle it on. And then we finish it off with the dusting of our powdered sugar. And there you have it, guys. It's our red velvet waffles with sriracha sweet bacon. I call it man candy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll try this recipe at home. It's easy like Sunday morning. Let's make something yum, y'all.